And guys, this is the newest to the rigid tools we just got. Yeah. This one's got auto 1, 2, 3. Yep. And it's a half. It's a half with lights. And we need it for disassembling some stuff, so they don't make it in, Rigid doesn't make it in the half drive, 3/8 drive, so we have to get it in half. Use a reducer. It is one of those things, it is heavy. Of course, we have that big battery on their bottom, so that adds quite a bit. I'd have to tell you exactly how much it weighs, but I'm sure that's available in the description. Actually, the instructions would probably tell you all that. This is the brushless model. Yep. No light in front here, and still has the old battery indicator. 3 lights, so in case you're doing it in the dark, you can see what you're doing. So, yeah, that's right. So, this is about what I got going on right at that time. I'll bring you back when I'm at the next thing. Sunny day, and got time for tire change. Time to change the tires. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to try out my new rigid impact thingy with the 19. And I don't know if she's going to work or not, so we're going to give her a hoot. Here we go. That's one. Of course, my not fair. I get this socket that's got rust in it, so there's 2. Yeah, 2 of them. That's on number 1. 4, 5. So we got 5 done. Yeah, isn't that great? Now I gotta figure out what tire goes on. It probably wasn't fair to say that this battery on this thing was fully charged either, so I think my boy was using it on something. I think he was taking lawnmower blades off or something. Okay. And of course, you do know that I don't have it centered, so and you got to do that on this one here because of the centerpiece. It's not even, if you look back behind here, it's not even up to the state of it, I guess. I don't know, can't tell. Okay, 1 down, 10 to go. If I make it that long. Getting old. Getting old. Getting old. So I'm not that old, but swing you around, round and round you go. guy's been out in the weather. Starting to look like it, ain't it? I wish I would have jacked it up and put the I don't even know if I'm pointing at the thing, guys. Sun's bright today. The sun's bright today. I wonder what my problem is. The inside of this is rusty, and so it's causing a little bit of the, you know what I mean? A little bit of the, you know how I mean. Oh. Rusty. Rusty. Two down, two to go. I don't know if I want to make it or not. I'm gonna make it. Gonna make it, am I gonna make it? That's the question. Number one question. Right. You're up in the air. You got these big tires on it. Got the big tires, storms coming in tonight. Rain all day tomorrow. First one. So hammered enough and finally came off. But that's why I paid $1,200 for an extended warranty, so they could use it. Got one more left. Seems to be pretty good here. Here we go. There's that. Got anything loose in the front end yet? No, not yet. Expect it pretty soon though. There you go, guys. Changing 4 tires with my rigid half. Yep, and batteries left. They're still at full charge. Still at full charge if you see it. And I haven't changed it out. You can see I was running it the whole time. I was running it the whole time and it didn't shut the camera off, so no trickery. No trickery. Like some people could do. Somebody could do some trickery. And that's on a Ford Escape. Thanks for sticking around and all that jazz, and we'll see you next time.